which simulates attacks that actually tells how well the organization can protect, detect, and respond, right? When any incident happens. So these exercises show the real picture, help identify the gaps before an actual attack, does. So in short, if you want to stay resilient, means being prepared, aware, and ready to bounce back no matter what type of threat comes your way.
And from what I understand, I think when we talk about cybersecurity, it goes beyond tools and technologies. It is also more about people and the culture within an organization. So, from your point of view as a leader, how do you build awareness and kind of drive an accountability across different levels of organization to have this ecosystem adapted?
So, Simon, this is a topic which is actually very close to my heart also. So today, many organizations, they invest in security awareness through, mandatory awareness courses, phishing simulations, online
Right.
sessions, quizzes, etc., etc. But in my opinion, having a clear strategy and support from various internal stakeholders is something that truly makes a difference.